Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Jaydru Kitchen. So today I thought of preparing a green herbal drink by using all these leaves. So now those leaves which are very beneficial to our healthy life. So today I thought of preparing this green herbal drink by using this betel leaf, and this is the Amrutaballi leaf which is of heart shape, and this is the Doddapatre, or also called as Karpooravalli leaves, or this is in English Dil leaves, and these are the Shankapushpi leaves which are very benefit to our health. So today I prepare this green herbal drink. Come, let's go to the kitchen to prepare this herbal drink, and let's be healthy, stay safe. So I have washed all these leaves thoroughly, and now I am going to put it in this pounding stone, and then now I am going to smash all these. Now I have pounded this. Now this is smashed well. Now I am going to add this in the water and boil. I am going to add 2 glasses of water, and I am going to add this, and this has to become till 1 glass of water. Now I have kept 2 big glass of water. I have added in this vessel. Now I am going to add all these smashed leaves to this. Now I am going to say about the benefits of these leaves. Shankapushpi leaves is also called as morning glory. This is an anti-stress, anti-anxiety, and this is also memory enhancer. And then the Shankapushpi leaves is also an antioxidant, and this also boosts up the concentration in power in the children. And this also reduces the mental fatigue. This also prevents the headache, and this also augments the skin health, and it also helps in managing the digestion and also the constipation. This also tone up the hair growth. So you can also prepare an oil with this Shankapushpi leaves. So this tone up your hair, and this also avoids the grey hair. And now next, coming to about the betel leaves, this also have an anti-diabetic, and this also lowers the cholesterol level, and this is an antimicrobial agent, and this also helps in the wound healing. If you have affected by any wound also, you can also apply these. And the researchers found that this betel leaf may also an oxidative, a causative agent in lowering the bronchial asthma cases. So those who have too much of cold and cough, they may take often the betel leaves. And even the chewing of the betel leaves produces the well-being, and this also have a feeling of good happiness and heightened alertness. So let this boil for about 10 minutes. Let this boil. Let the 2 glasses become lesser. So by the time I am going to say about the benefits of even the Doddapatre leaves. This is also called as Karpooravalli leaves in Tamil, and this is a big thyme leaves in English. This also improves the health of your skin, and also this defends the cold and cough. And even in the pain of arthritis, even in this cold season, you have more of joint pains, and even the chest congestion also will happen. So during this time, these leaves all helps you by avoiding all those things, and this also treats cancer and optimizes the digestion. And next, by coming to the that Amrutaballi leaves, these also called as Glilloy. This is an heart-shaped leaves, moon-shaped. This is an antioxidant, and this also fights of respiratory issues. And this also reduces the stress and anxiety, and this produces your protects your heart possibility. So this immunes your body system also. All these leaves are very beneficial to immune your body system. During this pandemic time, this immune boost drink, green herbal drink, is really very good for your health. So it's boiling. Let this boil. Yes, now it's almost boiled. The 2 glasses of water has come down to 1 glass of water. See the color of the drink. that has become greenish, which is very beneficial to your health. So now I'm going to off the stove. Now I'm going to stain this. To get all the juice. Now this green herbal drink is ready. This is a very health benefit drink. As this is of astringent taste, I am going to add the honey, 1 spoon. If you want, you can add more honey too, as this is of astringent. No need to add anything to this. This is not at all a weight loss drink. This is only the health benefit drink. So you can have early in the morning, which is very beneficial drink. Now this drink is ready. Have this drink. Stay safe. So if you like this green herbal drink, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you all for watching my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy.